Welcome to Kids Jam Story Time. Hello friends. Today we will listen a beautiful story. The name of the story is Puppies for Sale. Once a farmer painted an advertisement for puppies to sell and was fixing it on the edge of his yard. As he was hitting last nail for the boat to be fixed on its place, he felt a tug on his overalls. When he looked behind, he saw a little kid. He asked, "What do you want, kid?" The kid replied, "I want to buy a puppy." Farmer replied, "Well, kid, these pups are quite expensive as they came from very good breed of dog." Little boy dropped his head, but after a moment, reaching deep down into his pants pocket, he pulled some coins from his pocket and held it up to the farmer and said, "Sir, I have got only 50 cents. Would that be enough for a puppy?" Farmer smiled and said, "Yes." The farmer whistled and called out his dog. Dog came along with its four puppies running behind it out of the doghouse. But the boy was delighted to see them. The boy noticed that behind four puppies there was a little one who was slowly coming out of the doghouse in an awkward manner. The little puppy was trying to catch up with the others. The boy bounded towards that puppy and said, "I want that one." The farmer replied, "Kid, you don't want that. He will not be able to play with you or run with you like the other puppies." Listening to this, Kid took a step back from the fence and began rolling up one leg of his trousers, revealing a steel brace which was attached with specially made shoes which the kid was wearing, and said, "Sir, I don't run too well myself, and that puppy will need someone who understands." The moral of the story is every one of us have our own weakness, but if we willing to accept it instead of opposing, then we can make advantage of our own weakness. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.